everyone, I am going to discuss a problem relating to transient movement. So we have here a diagram with I1 of 1 ampere, R1 2 ohms, R2 5 ohms, R3 10 ohms, RL 4 ohms, and P sub 1 12 volts, P sub 2 24 volts. So for case 1, we're going to close the two voltages we have here, the first case and the first diagram. Since the diagram shows a parallel circuit, we will use the parallel circuit formula. So RT is equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL raised to negative 1. So substitute the given values 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 4 raised to negative 1. So the answer would be RT is equal to 2.22 ohms. Now R1T is equal to R1 plus RT. Then substitute the values. We have 2 plus 2.22, and the answer would be 4.22 ohms. Then for the P sub T, the formula would be I1 multiplied by RT, and substitute the values 1 amps plus 2.22 ohms, and the answer would be 2.22 volts. Then here, I2, the formula for I2 is VT over RT, substitute the values 2.22 over 5, the answer would be 0.444 amps. For the I3, the formula is VT over R3, substitute the values 2.22 over 10, answer is 0.222 amps. And lastly, for the IL, the formula would be VT over RL, and substitute the values 2.22 over 4 is equal to 0.595 amps. Now, as for these two, we are going to close the P2. So now we have a voltage of 12 volts. Same, the resistance will be the same, and we are going to open the circuit. So to solve for RL, we're going to use the formula 1 over R3 plus 1 over RL raised to negative 1. Substitute the values, and the answer will be 2.86 ohms. And for the RP, the formula will be 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3L. And substitute again the given, and the answer will be 1.82 ohms. And for the IP sub 1, the formula will be V1 over RT. Substitute, the answer will be 3.3 amps. For the I2, the formula will be I times V1 multiplied by R3L over R2 plus R3L. The answer will be 1.98 amps. And next, R3L is equal to IV1 minus I2. And substitute, the answer will be 1.22 amperes. For I3, formula I3L multiplied by RL over R3L, R3 plus RL. Substitute, the answer will be 0.38. And lastly, for the IL for case 2, I3L multiplied by R3 over R3 plus RL, the answer will be 0.94 amps. So for the case 3, since we have already used the P sub 1, same, the diagram will be the same. The difference is that we're going to use the P sub 2. And then for solve everything, so P3L is equal to R1 over R3 plus 1 over RL raised to negative 1. Substitute, the answer will be 20.7 ohms. For RT, R2 plus RTL, substitute, we have the answer of 55.7 and over 7. For the IV2, V2 over RT, substitute the values, the answer will be 3.05
Fuck you.